What's up, Army Nation? Welcome to Eating Healthy, day 33. Okay, so I had Wendy's. This is the tropical strawberry lemonade from Wendy's. And I have the taco salad. Oh, there we go. I have the taco salad. So, okay, this is the salsa for the chips. The salsa for the tortilla chips. And I have the chili here. The spoon for it. Yeah, I have some extra napkins, and I have the light sour cream. They gave me 2 sauces. So apart from exercising, you also need to eat right. So yeah, I have my straw for my drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Let's get it ready. Okay. Okay, so, and the salad looked like this, and it had say taco. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and dress it up. Alright, so first, what we're gonna put, I have the fork and knife right here. Okay, so we're gonna pour the chili. Let me let y'all see what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna take the chili sauce. It's hot, you have to be very careful, it's hot. And we're gonna pour it on there. Okay, all right, there we go. Okay, and then we're gonna get the sour cream. Okay, and you can tear. We're gonna get the sour cream. Okay. Alright. Okay, and let me open the other one. Ooh. Okay. Alright. So there we go. We have that. And we have the chips here and the salsa for the chips. So we're gonna go ahead and stir everything up. Okay, so that's how it looks. We're just gonna mix it up. It looks so yummy. Oh my gosh. Let's take a bite. It's so good. It's so good, y'all. Y'all gotta try it. So, hopefully you guys are doing good. As you know, my weigh-in, 3 months weigh-in, is coming up in a couple of days, so I'm excited about that. Oh my gosh, it's so good, y'all. It's so good. This is the salsa. See, that's the salsa for the tortilla chips. Alright. Let's try one. Okay. Honestly, the salsa is a little salty, but that's how it is. Oh my gosh, it's so good. That's the tropical strawberry lemonade. Y'all gotta get it. It's so good. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying your summer so far. You know, congratulations to all the graduates of 2021. You know, the pandemic didn't stop you guys. You did it. It was hard, but y'all did it. You know, going through something that we're not used to, like virtual learning and everything. As far as my kids, my oldest is going to 6th grade. My middle son, he's going to 3rd grade. And my daughter, she's going to 2nd grade. So yes, I have 6th, 3rd, and 2nd coming up, y'all. So yeah, so congratulations to all the graduate, you guys. I know it was a challenging year. I'll just have a part two. So yeah, this is very good. Because it's not all about exercising. You also have to make sure you eat right too as well. Because exercising and eating right, it all goes hand to hand, you know? So far, I've been getting a lot of compliments saying I look like I lost weight and everything, so that's good. You know, I'm gonna keep going strong, doing what I gotta do. Eat healthy, exercise, all that good stuff, you know? So I'm about to finish up the rest of this off camera. So everyone enjoy your day. I'm gonna attach a before and after picture to this video, so you guys gonna see the after picture on the video. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating up the rest because I only have an hour lunch. Okay, if I see and try to EQ and talk to y'all, my time gonna run out. So I'll catch y'all later. Thank you for watching day 33, eating healthy.